Good morning, year 3. Now we are going to take a new lesson, which is the right angles. What does the word right angles mean? It is two straight lines, one vertical line, this is the vertical line, and one horizontal line, this is the horizontal line, meeting at a vertex. What does the word vertex mean? Did you remember we said before that the square has four corners or four vertices, right? So the word vertex, it is the same as the word corner. Okay, so angle A here is a right angle. Come and look at this clock. This clock, look at the hands. They form a right angle, right? They form a right angle. What about the angle B? Is angle B a right angle? No, it's not a right angle. Why? Because the two lines are far away from each other. So this angle, angle B, is greater than a right angle. When you found two lines are far away from each other, so it's not a right angle, it's greater than a right angle. What about angle C? Angle C also it's not a right angle. Why? Because the two lines are closer to each other, because so angle C is smaller than a right angle. Let's watch a video together.
What are right angles? Right angles are angles that are formed at the corners of squares and rectangles. This picture frame has a rectangular shape. Right angles are formed at each corner. To show an angle is a right angle, we draw a square symbol. To see if an angle is a right angle, we can compare it to the corner of a square or rectangle. Let's use the picture frame to see if the angle is a right angle. This angle is smaller than a right angle. This angle is bigger than a right angle.
Come on, year 3. Let's solve this together. Okay, look at this shape, the square shape. Is the square has a right angle? Yes, the square has four right angles. The square has four right angles. This is the symbol of right angle. So 1, 2, 3, 3, and 4. So the square has four right angles. What about this triangle? This triangle also has only one right angle. This one. What about the rectangular shape? The rectangular shape also has, let's solve this first. This shape has how many right angles? 1, 2, right? What about the rectangular shape? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at this one. Is this angle a right angle? No, it's not a right angle. It's smaller than a right angle because the two lines are closer to each other. What about this one? Is this a right angle? Yes, this angle is a right angle. What about this? Is this a right angle? No, it's greater than a right angle. The two lines are far away from each other. Is this angle a right angle? No, it's greater than a right angle. What about this? Yes, it is a right angle, right? So this is a right angle. What about this angle? This angle also is greater than a right angle. The two lines are far away from each other. Look at this one. This angle is smaller than a right angle. And also this one is smaller than a right angle. What about this? One horizontal line and one vertical line meeting at a vertex. So this angle is a right angle. So this one is a right angle.